How to buy Minecraft with Microsoft Store. Want to play Minecraft on your PC? The easiest way is through the Microsoft Store, and here's how to buy and install it step by step. So first and foremost, go ahead and open up Microsoft Store. Now from here, make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Now in the search bar, go ahead and search for Minecraft and then hit on enter. Now on the results, go ahead and look for the Minecraft Java and Bedrock edition for PC and then click on it, and then from here you'd be able to find this buy for this specific amount. So simply click on this buy button to buy this specific application on Microsoft Store. So select the edition that fits your needs. The Java and Bedrock edition lets you play both versions on PC. Minecraft for Windows is optimized for Windows 10 and 11. Click buy and choose your payment method. It could be credit card, PayPal, or Microsoft account balance. Confirm your purchase to add Minecraft to your library, and then after the purchase, click on install. The game will download automatically. Once installed, launch Minecraft from the start menu or the Xbox app. Sign in to your Microsoft account. If you bought the Java and Bedrock edition, you can switch between versions in the launcher. Now you're ready to build, explore, and play. So buying Minecraft through Microsoft Store is quick and safe.